Get peace of mind and keep your luggage secure. I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the LUGGEX TSA-approved lock. So easy to make these work. It's going to be preset to 0. You have a little button at the end. You can use a pen to press it in, and you now can set it to whatever combination you want and press the button hard. It is now set to your desired combination. It has a lock on the bottom, which is what makes it TSA approved. Any TSA personnel has a key to open it up and check into your bag if they need to. It's so easy to then mix up the combination. That button will not budge and the lock will not break. I absolutely loved these. I got a set of 4, so I was able to put them on all of my luggage, check it, and have that peace of mind knowing that all of my possessions, my gifts that I was bringing on our trip were secure. And that's my point of view.